Grants aware smell-o-vision. Pumpkin lantern. That was my fire pit. It's still good. Lantern. Refuelable bright portable. That'd be cool. What kind of tools can we make? Gosh. Alchemy machine we need. I don't got one of those. Razor. How do you make an alchemy machine? Oh, we need a bunch of stuff that I don't have, of course. Fuck me. Ugh, nighttime's so boring. You can't do anything. You just have to wait it out. Well, on the other hand, we could make a torch and search around. You know what? Tonight, let's go adventuring. Guys, I'm nervous. This is probably a bad idea, but whatever. This is what's gonna get us killed. I don't know what's out here at night, so I hope some monster doesn't sneak up on me. Ooh, berries. Excellent. These torches run out pretty quickly. Eat a tree. Excellent. We look insane. We look like a maniac. Oh no, the torch. Make another one. Oh, it's already daytime? Nah, we'll leave it out here. Fuck it. I don't care. So much for adventuring at night. We didn't even do anything. We collected some berries, which we could have done in the morning, so it didn't even matter. I want that bee. Is that bee like sleeping? This was a bad idea. Oh no. Oh no. Run. Why'd I do that? How many punches to the face can a bee take? Jesus. Are they gone? Oh, I'm growing a beard. Nice. I love it. Manly. Manly as fuck. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Alright. We've been collecting the same shit every fucking day. I feel like we're making no progress at all. And you know why I feel like that? Because we're not. Just trying to survive. Mountain man. Mountain. I'm tempted to look up this guy's name. I might just do that right now. I'm going to, so we can actually call him by his name. His name, I'm gonna be looking down and I'm gonna get killed. You guys are gonna be screaming at the monitor because something's walking towards me. And I'm not gonna see it coming because I can't hear you guys. And it's gonna be embarrassing. Alright, his name is, I think it's Wilson. I want to say it's Wilson. Please be Wilson, I don't want to be wrong. Your name is... Wilson, I was right. I like it, Wilson. Oh, graveyard. Let's dig up some graves. Actually, that's a good idea, let's do that. What? Already? Jesus. Oh, we need to... Oh, god damn it. I wanted to dig up some graves. Alright. Alright. Is there anything good out here? It says milk, eggs, and bacon. Your lives in guy ball. Why do they all say that? No, he just does the same thing. Okay. I don't want to go back. I bet there's cool stuff out here, and if we go back now, we're gonna miss it. Those freaking mole things again. There's something good. Oh, what's that thing? Plugged sinkhole. Oh, no, we shouldn't do. I've done that before. Like, you can go down them. You can go down these caves, which I've never gone in before. But if you open up the sinkhole, monsters can come out. So we're not ready for monsters yet. We're still weak, and oh, these are cool. Sad tree has no cones. What's that? Oh, mushroom. Alright, we're going a little bit too far. So I'm gonna go out even more. Oh god. I just want to keep going. I don't want to go back home. I seriously need to head back right now. Alright, head back now. Fuck it, I'm heading back. Yeah, we got it. We got it. We're not even gonna make. Oh god damn it. We gotta hurry. Oh no. Alright, stop collecting shit, me. We gotta hurry. Oh god, how far it is. Oh god damn. Oh no, we're not gonna make it. Do I have enough for... I do. Okay, so if we can't make it, we'll just make a torch. This can work out. We might be able to live. Our beard will protect us. Eat it. Oh god, Wilson, hurry. Wilson, run. And we're running out of food. We need to make a farm, that's right. How do I make a farm? Think I need manure. I haven't seen any buffalo yet though, so it's not good at all. We're gonna run out of food soon and it's gonna be horrible. We're gonna starve. The game told us not to, but we're going to anyway. Oh no. I ran right past it. We made it though. There we go. Twigs. I wanted a shovel, that's right. Excellent. Fucking alchemy machines, I don't got that. I don't want to shave off my beard. What do you think I am, some kind of beardless person? I'm not. A backpack would be pretty sweet. You know, I'm just gonna make a backpack. We don't need this log. We'll just leave it there. Alright, that's better. We need a chest. How do we make a chest? Oh, we need boards. We can do that. How many boards? Just fucking carry it. Fuck it. Cut stone. Sure. Alright. What can we make now? A garland. Another straw hat, maybe. Top hat. Rain hat. That sounds good. What do we need to make that? We need 2 moles? That'd be really nice. How do I kill a mole? Fashion melon. Ice cube hat. Or just ice cube, I guess. Oh, the fire. think it should make it for the night. And it will make it. It will. Yes, no. There we go. How do I get those moles? Come here. Damn it. Die. Ah, he's gone. Oh, I can dig him up. Oh, no. I can just... I'm coming for you. Go for the rocks. I want that fucking mole. He's gonna die. Actually, how do I make a farm? I don't remember how. Actually, I could make a crock pot. Oop, there you go. Oh, we need manure, damn it. We need a lot, too. Crock pot. Oh, ash. We can do that. Okay. We'll make a crock pot really quick. We need some cut stone. We need ashes. That means we have to burn some trees. Oh, seeds, perfect. Alright. We'll just live off of seeds for now. Oh, we need an axe. Alright. Get that tree down. Get that charcoal. Excellent. Where's that torch I left on the other day? Aha, there it is. I think, yeah. Burn. Burning. Alright. And one more should do it. Where'd I go? Like, there it is. Alright. Man, are you hungry? Kill him. This is a bad idea. No, why do I keep doing that? How do I catch a bee? I'm hungry. Oh, that doesn't help us. Man, what a waste of seeds. Alright, we're not gonna make it unless we find some food. We need to make a farm like right now. We're gonna die. A road. We need to hurry. Could. Oh, what's that? Grass suit. I don't want it. What skeleton? Alright. What? Oh god, it's one of those shrine things again. There. I don't know what that does, but we activated it. We need to find some buffalo. The ice melted. Where'd this lead us? Nowhere. What's that thing right there? What is that? Oh. Where's it go? Not really helpful. It doesn't say. That means some food's around here somewhere. Kind of animal. Oh, dead end. Ah, berries, yes. I said grab the berries. Thank you. Now eat them. Yes. Oh shit, I went over. Oh god.